welcome back to my channel. Today we are just doing my Chatty Saturday series.
Chat.
And I am Jennifer, and this is my husband Aaron, who comes to be on my channel every so often. And yeah, if you are new here, I do makeup material and unboxings, a lot of unboxings. And I also talk about agoraphobic material, excuse me, as per my channel name, because I am agoraphobic and I just like to share, and also, if you like to share, I like to talk to you too, and I don't know what to say.
It's good. You're getting good. Come on.
Okay.
Don't edit this part out.
Don't edit this part out?
Don't edit this part out.
Okay. Well, if you're interested in any of those subjects, or say all of the topics, then please hit the subscribe button.
And don't forget to click that notification bell,
so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. And if you are interested in
all of that,
I'm sorry, my phone is blowing up right now, and that's what I use to record with. And then hang tight, because we are getting right into it. Okay, I've got a serious AITA question. Am I the a-hole? This happened this last week, and I know this just happens, but if you are delivered somebody else's mail or somebody else's package, do you hold on to it until it is convenient for you to deliver it to the right address? Say it's in your neighborhood. Or do you take it in a timely manner to the person who it is supposed to go to? Because I think that you should take it in a timely manner to the person that it belongs to, because I think that they have probably are watching it on their phone and they know it's been delivered and they're like waiting for it, and it could be something very important that they are waiting for.
Yeah.
So I think that if you're waiting for it for a convenient time for you to take it, then you are the a-hole.
Calling him out.
Because, okay.
One time we got a package here for somebody else, and it was like the next street over, and so I went to go take it over there and drop it on their porch, and so I did that, and then I came back here, and they were over here looking for me.
Why did they come over looking for you?
I'm not sure how they knew that it was here, but I don't know.
I mean, it was the next street over.
I think what it was they were like 1316, the next street.
Right.
And so they apparently they know how this goes, and so they came to 1316 R Street to see.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, this happened to me.
I just left it on your porch. Like, oh, okay.
This happened to me. I was waiting for my BoxyCharm Mega Drop Shop stuff. Okay, this stuff is not like life or death important to me, but I needed it so I could tell BoxyCharm whether I got it or not. So I got the notification that it had been delivered and it was nowhere to be found. So I waited a day and nobody, because I figured it had been dropped off at a neighbor's house. And then I waited a day and nobody came and dropped it off. So I contacted BoxyCharm and said I didn't get my order. And they said, well, wait another 24 hours and contact us again. So I waited another 24 hours and it didn't show up. And so I contacted BoxyCharm again and said it still hasn't shown up. And they said, okay, well, we'll send you new products at no cost to you. And so I saw that they created a shipping label. So that all happened. And then 3 hours later, the neighbor lady shows up and drops off the box for me. And I'm like,
She might not have been home when they delivered it, though.
okay, I'll give her the benefit of the doubt. It's not like she took a week or 2 weeks to get it to me. She waited like 3 days to get it to me.
You mean 3
And
hours?
sometimes, no, 3 days.
Oh, I thought you said 3 hours.
3 hours after I contacted BoxyCharm.
Ah, I see.
And, okay, maybe not everybody, especially in this neighborhood, our garage doors face the alley. And not everybody goes out front and checks their front doors all the time. So 3 days, I'll give you that. But sometimes people around here will wait up to 2 to 3 weeks before
Obviously, that's not cool.
they will drop something off for you. And that's not cool. So I'm not mad at the lady. In fact, I'm getting more stuff from BoxyCharm. I'm getting double stuff. So this helps you, the viewer, because I will be getting giveaways.
Stuffed BoxyCharm cookies.
Getting more giveaway stuff for you, the viewer. And so I'm not mad. After talking this through, I'm really not mad. So
Yeah.
that's that. So I guess, what do you think? How long is too long to wait
You know what they should do is they
for
should,
someone to deliver your package to
when
you?
they put that thing on there and they put the picture where they show it like on your porch.
Yeah.
They should take one picture of it on your porch and they should take another picture on the way back to their car that shows the whole house. And that way you can look at it and go, that's not my house. And then you go around and you look for that house. Because otherwise, I'm like going around looking at the porches of the various houses, and that makes me look like some sort of creepy stalker person. But I've done that up and down our block, looking at everybody's porches. That's it. That's the porch right there.
Okay. But how long do you think what is too long for somebody to wait to deliver your package to you if
it's a package, you should try to go deliver it that same day if you can, because especially if it's just like on the next street over or something, because
I think once you find
you don't
it,
know what it is.
I think once you find it on your porch, you should go deliver it to them.
There's no reason to sit around with it.
Okay, I have got a new subscription bag. Y'all know that I have discontinued my patronage with Birchbox. Is that the right word?
Oh, well then. Yes, you have.
So I have they have the Eyescream Beauty box that is $25 a month. Well, I have done the Eyescream Beauty bag, which is only $12.50 a month. And
Are they all ice cream themed?
No. It's Eyescream.
Oh.
And
You put it on your eye and then you go, or is it more like,
okay, let's kind of hurry this up.
okay.
Now, with all the taxes and shipping items, it cost about as much as what I paid for Birchbox. And these are these are 4 full-size items.
Oh, there's more.
And you get and this is all makeup stuff.
I'll hand you stuff. I'm assisting.
And I got the Emerald by Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette here. Yeah. That's a nice fall winter themed palette there. I'm doing this now because I missed some days last week. So I thought...
I'm not arguing with you. Go for it.
What is this, Aaron?
That's some sort of makeup item.
Read off the card.
The Bella Lip Liner. $3, I think.
And how much was the palette?
The palette was $12.
Okay.
And then this is Mirabella Eye Crayon, $20.
Okay, and it is in the color Jade.
Oh, cool.
I'm not going to swatch it because I might put it in the giveaway for our Christmas collab that we're doing.
Don't open it.
And this is from Bella Pierre. And it is... What is this from Bella Pierre? A super gloss.
It's lip gloss. Super gloss, $18.
$18.
$18.
So you get 4 full-size products. And that is the color for that. I'm not going to swatch that either because I'm probably going to put that in a good way. I have so much gloss and everything. And yeah, and it's only $12.50. Well, it came out to like $16.50, but that is still a great deal for 4 full-size items in your bag. Mm-hmm. And they have the ice cream full-size box for $25. I'll leave the link down below.
What one thing do you think you have the most number of?
Eyeshadow palettes.
Eyeshadow palettes?
No doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no doubt about that. I have a little app on my phone that you can spin the wheel. It's like a spin the wheel game, and you can make your own spin the wheel game. And I put all my eyeshadow palettes in the wheel so I can spin it and like see which eye palette
for the day.
Yeah. Spin the wheel and pick my eyeshadow palette for the day, and they're all crammed in there. I don't know how many are in there. And
feel free to guess in the comments how many eyeshadow palettes she has.
And they have like my retired palettes in there too. Yeah. I haven't taken those out. And it's a lot.
Yeah.
So, okay. I guess that is a good place to stop. Like this video thumbs up this video if you like this video. And it really helps out, and it only takes a second. And yeah, we hope you are having a fantastic day out there today, and that if you celebrated Thanksgiving, that you are still having a great holiday weekend.
And that you're not still in a food coma at this point.
Yeah. Really?
I've done that.
Yeah. And that if you are not having a great day, that something comes along and sparks your day so that you have a better day today and continue to have a great weekend or a week whenever you are watching this.
What would be better, having your day sparked or having your day sparkled?
I don't know.
I say sparkled. My day to be sparkly.
Okay, have a sparkly day today. And if you're having a particularly rough time, just know that we are thinking about you and sending you those good vibes.
Sparkly vibes.
We hope that they get to you. And just remember to stay strong and stay safe and stay healthy. Well, as healthy as you can this time of year. And we understand if you can't. And
we won't get mad at you.
Because we're not staying that healthy. So, okay.
Do we get a tracking number on those vibes? Anyhow.
Okay, so we'll have another video up tomorrow, and we will see you then. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.